Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to allow peer-to-peer calls on Telegram for specific contacts using the latest update on the desktop app. This setting gives you more control over your privacy while still letting you enjoy smooth and direct conversations with the people you trust the most. To get started, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once it's open, look towards the top left corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open up the main menu where you can navigate to all your settings and preferences. From there, select Settings. Inside this menu, look for the option called Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram organizes everything related to how you control your personal data, interactions, and safety settings. Next, scroll down until you see the section labeled Calls. Click on it to adjust how your calls are handled. In the call settings, you'll find an option called Use Peer-to-Peer With. By default, this might be set more broadly, but since we want to narrow it down to people you trust, click on it and select My Contacts. Once you've chosen My Contacts, you'll notice another option that says Always Allow. To fine-tune the setting, click the Add Users button next to it. This feature is where you can choose the specific contacts who will always be allowed to connect with you directly. When the list of your contacts appears, simply select the names of the people you want to add. After making your selection, click on Save. Telegram will then confirm your changes to make sure everything is correctly applied. And that's it. You've now successfully set up Telegram so that peer-to-peer calling is restricted to people you've personally chosen. This way, you maintain strong privacy for your calls while still keeping the door open for seamless voice communication with your trusted circle. By following these steps, you're not only improving the security of your Telegram experience, but also ensuring that your calls are more reliable, direct, and private. It's a quick adjustment that makes a big difference in keeping you in control. If you found this helpful, make sure to apply the changes right away and enjoy safer connections on Telegram.